Hello again, giving everybody one more update. It's a little bit past midnight, Tuesday morning. Trying to get everybody prepared, trying to get myself prepared. We're about 36 hours away from the first snowflakes flying. My estimate probably around noon on Wednesday, and it's probably going to go all the way till about noon, maybe a little earlier on Thursday. So Wednesday night's going to be a mess. Thursday morning is going to be a mess. And if you can stay out of the roads and stay indoors, that'd probably be the best for yourself and everybody else. Anyway, the current models are staying. Right now we're looking at the North American model. It's showing it wants to keep the main area of snow right there, and it's going to be pushing that way out northeast towards New Jersey and New York City area. And it's showing right now we could have localized amounts of about 16 inches. Parts of Bucks County, Montgomery County, the surrounding areas, all the way north past Reading, Berks County, going all the way up to the Scranton area. And it's entirely possible. We don't know yet. We don't know until it happens. However, European model showing a much larger area to be hit by the hardest effects. So, kind of messed that up. This whole interior area, all the way up to the Lehigh Valley, strongly affected. That's again showing a push through the Lehigh Valley and up to north of New York City, with lower amounts of 8 inches to possibly a foot in the surrounding areas of Philadelphia. And we just have to wait and see at this point. Either way, we're getting a lot of snow, a lot more snow than we got last year already in one storm. Which, for some who don't like it, like myself, it's going to be fun. People don't like it, you might want to stay indoors for a little bit. However, it's weird. I'll show you real quick these latest models that came out showing, this is North American model, showing foot of snow, Bucks, Montgomery, Chester counties, parts of Berks County, and Lehigh Valley, also getting foot of snow and up. But for a little bit there, a little bit of time, the runs, if I can get them in the right spot, wanted to push this storm way up to the north, which is what the European model is doing. And they're kind of in a little bit of disagreement right now, but hopefully by this time tomorrow I'll be able to accurately know who's going to get the brunt of the storm. And real quick, I'll show you my quick map that I made up. Probably this is closer to the European model of what that shows, but a large area is going to get hit with a foot of snow, close to a foot of snow. Surrounding areas will be hit with at least 8 inches of snow up to a foot. Maybe it could be more depending on the shift of the storm. And like I said earlier, hopefully by this time, maybe even 12 hours from now, hopefully by this time tomorrow, we'll know more accurately who's going to get hit the worst. But no matter where you are on this map, be prepared. Go to the store. Prepare for power outages. First storm of the season always seems to be the one that affects the trees and outdoor utilities the most, especially not having a heavy snowfall last year. So be prepared for down trees, down power lines possibly if it ices up, and bad roads especially. So everybody, hopefully you're taking this seriously. I know I am, and probably won't be out at all past the time the sun goes down on Wednesday over till Thursday, and just wait it out till then. Hopefully by daytime on Thursday, the roads will be semi-clear depending on the time the storm moves out, and by sundown on Thursday, hopefully the storm will be gone and we can get back to normal normal is right now. Anyway, I'll be giving another update if anything changes, when it changes, because it probably will, and we will go from there. Be prepared. Thank you.